instead of trading time for money, wouldn't you rather have your money working for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week? Yeah, I want that too. Now, sleep has many benefits, mainly for your health. But what if I told you you can make money during your sleep? Now, I'm not a financial advisor. In fact, I'm in need of one. But word on the street is that you can make passive income by investing in the stock market. Let's get into it. Hey guys, it's Jason Nguyen here. Hope you're having a wonderful day. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about my 2020 dividend investing strategy and what platform I'm using to invest in the UK. Now, there's only a handful of UK investing YouTube channels out there, which is why I'm creating this video. So please smash that like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. For beginners like myself, no shame, should be using one of the commission-free investing platforms like Trading 212 or FreeTrade. I personally use Trading 212 because it has a free ISA account, whereas FreeTrade costs £3 a month.
But Jason, that's only £36 a year. That's so cheap.
No, my friend. That's actually an opportunity cost of £1,028 invested at 3.5%. Now tell me, do you have £1,028 invested at 3.5%? Didn't think so. Anyways, Trading 212 has features like fractional shares where you can buy expensive stocks for a fraction of its price, hence the name, and still benefits from the dividends. Drip is also coming soon in March 2020, which is great for dividend investors. If you want to sign up, you can use my link in the description below, which will give both of us a free share worth up to £100. So my DGI, dividend growth investing strategy, is to buy and hold forever. Yes, you heard it correct, forever. 60% of my portfolio will be allocated to dividend paying ETFs and 40% will be in individual stocks. My plan with ETFs is to diversify my portfolio in different countries and sectors. So basically, anywhere I go around the world, I can just walk around like I own it. So I've invested about £2,000 so far into my account, and after about a month of investing, the stock market has been going crazy because of the coronavirus and Brexit. My portfolio was down £70 at one point, but I'm not worried because no matter what happens to the stock market, if it goes up, if it goes down, I'll still be getting paid the same amount of dividends. And with those dividends, I will be reinvesting them for that compound interest, which will grow my portfolio exponentially. On top of that, I will be investing £500 a month, and again, no matter how well or bad the stock market is doing, to pound cost average in. Because at the end of the day guys, no one, not even Warren Buffett himself, can predict the market. Now I might sound crazy, but I can't wait for the stock market to crash. Why? Well, because when the stock prices drop, I can buy these high quality dividend paying companies for cheaper. Now my main goal of this strategy is to live off dividends passively, essentially to retire whenever I want. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is my strategy, this is what I'm doing, do your own research. So guys, what do you think of my strategy? Is it good? Is it bad? Let me know in the comment sections below, and guys, thanks for watching. Peace.